Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. So, what I've decided today is to become a millionaire and visit the International Space Station as some of my goals. Think it is impossible? Because I am a man of my word. So make sure you join my journey, as in making it happen, step by step, from zero to the stars. My promise and guarantee to you is that I will show you the simple secret to turn your life around, for good, and do it today. All you have to do, is apply my simple and easy steps. It's so simple and 1000% doable. So far I've learned that there is always a solution for everything, the only difference is, trying to do it the easy way, or, getting it done the proper way. Of course, the proper way is the fastest way. The only way, understand? Right, let's get some lives changed, today. In today's episode, how I stopped procrastinating for good, because it is the first thing that has to be dealt with and the only way of gaining consistency and focus. Number 1, this one will sound a bit weird but it is totally proven to be true. NoFap, aka rewiring. It is a way, especially for us men, to gain clarity and will. To get things done, to let the brain literally heal and work with its full capacity, memory, stamina, self-confidence and to gain inspiration and motivation. I will speak about it in more details in a later episode very soon. But trust me, redirecting your urges to projects and replacing your dopamine sources is a must. For me, especially in the beginning when I started my rewiring aka NoFap, at first I could last 3 days, then 5 days, and the feel-good threshold is the 7th day. Literally from then on getting to the 10th day is easy, then 15 days, then 1 month, then the 2nd month and so on. Have I mentioned that, besides having a clear, sharp and inspired mind, after the day 7, and especially after day 28, you also become extremely attractive to the opposite sex? Oh yes indeed. Moving on to the number 2, get your brain some fuel. Remember the movie Limitless? That is actually not far from the truth. Simply by doing a morning exercise, lifting, jogging, cycling or swimming, or all of the above, essentially you are letting your brain produce natural neurotrophic compounds and hormones, which it needs in order to feel satisfied, satiated, sharp and inspired to finally start working on your goals and achieving it. Number 3, use a mental map application to plan out the big picture of your short-term goals which will branch down all the way to the center where your long-term main goal is. Me personally I like Bow app for Windows and Orbit Mind for Android. Links in the description. Number 4, use to-do apps. My favorite is Hot Notes app for Windows, and Progress app for Android. It will skyrocket your motivation tremendously, especially once when you see all those simple but fancy interfaces, charts, crossed out tasks you have done, and the progress piles in percentages for each task. And finally number 5, be consistent, follow all the steps, each day, have a routine. Skipping a day is not an option. Trust me, I've been there. Then all you have to do is divide your tasks with your mind map, jot them down in your to-do list, and simply work for 10 minutes to an hour or 2 a day. Stick to it, do not miss a day. And voila, you will see results. Results will build your confidence that you can do it. Next thing you know, you are hooked to success. That's it for today. Now I have to take my nap, for my night shift cubicle grind tonight. Yeah I know, this is actually my 2nd day in this journey, and I am still working as a night shift hotel receptionist, which I actually like. I have a lovely staff and great colleagues, but yeah, I have to think about that early retirement dream and make it a reality. So stick with me, while I'm doing it the proper way, and hopefully faster than expected. You can also help me to get there faster by hitting the like button, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell down in the right corner of this video. Thank you and see you soon. This has been me, your host, William Springster. And that's all for today, see you tomorrow.